Hey everyone, my name is Richard from Zappos.com, and today we are taking a close look at this fantastic bag from Briggs and Riley. The perfect choice for the sophisticated business professional. This guy here is going to allow you to carry around all your daily essentials, keep it organized and protected. The outside of it here is constructed out of a ballistic nylon material that's going to give you amazing abrasion resistance, fight away wear, water, dirt, anything like that to keep your belongings protected. Carrying it around is going to be super easy. You do have this handle here on top, but you also have your shoulder straps back here. Lots of padding on those guys to keep your shoulders feeling great. They're lined with mesh, just like the back of the bag here, which also has a good amount of padding on it. Keep your back, shoulders, everything feeling fantastic. There is also a pass-through back here, so if you are traveling, you can slide this guy over the handlebar of your luggage and make your way through those airports easily. There's also some leather accenting here across the front for a little added style. And now we're gonna dive into that storage compartment here that you have here in the front. We're gonna have lots of organization throughout this guy, but this little pocket up here in the front is really nice. It's got a little sleeve right there up in the front with this guy behind that. Amazing organization in here, as you can see. We're gonna have little pockets, little dividers for your smaller items, or even things like your cell phone. You can put it in there. It's got a good amount of padding, so it'll help keep everything protected. Going to the side of the bag here, we're gonna have this little zipper pocket that folds out so you can slide gear in there, which is always fantastic. It also has, of course, a name tag on it too, so everybody will know who this bag belongs to. Going toward the top, we're gonna have this little zipper pocket up here, again for grab and go items that you'll wanna access quickly without digging around that main compartment. Gonna have another one behind that opens up super wide. Check that out. You're really gonna have easy access to all corners of this pocket. You also have a sleeve back here with some padding on it, perfect for keeping everything protected. And then we have this lockable zipper here in the very back. That one comes undone all the way, and here's where we're gonna have amazing organization for your electronics. You got this nice padded sleeve back here, will accommodate up to a 15.6-inch laptop. And then of course you got lots of room in front of that, including this little sleeve down here where you can slide in your tablet. Keep that protected as well. So go ahead and add this bag to your cart today. It's from Briggs and Riley.